The best way to establish the online presence for your business or your organization is by opening a free Facebook business page. Now, I'm going to walk you through the steps on the computer on how to do that. And the reason that you'd want to is because this actually is the best way of establishing your brand awareness and building brand loyalty over time by connecting with your target audience. So to do this, you want to open your web browser and head over to facebook.com/pages/creation. Again, that's facebook.com/pages/creation. And once you're there, you're going to see this initial window where we're going to put in the page name. So you're going to want to put the name of your business or organization. So we're going to put 828 Biz Marketing. Whoop, if I could type. There we go. And we are an advertising and marketing agency, and we can actually put in up to 3 categories. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these out. And we also do website design. So those are us. Now it's going to actually ask you for an optional bio. I would say go ahead and pass this right now because we're just wanting to get the framework set up. When you go back, you can actually type in a very SEO, search engine optimized bio here that will help you show up higher in search with the algorithm, and it will give a very concise information about your organization and how you help your prospective clients and customers and folks that interact with you. So I'd say leave that blank for right now, but go back and add it later. So we come down here to the bottom, the big blue button says create page. So now here we can actually put in what the website is. So 828biz.com. We can put in our phone number, put in our email address, and then we can put in our information. So we're in Hendersonville, North Carolina. So we're going to click on that. And we are open for selective hours. So you want to go ahead and put in these. You can also select it as always open or no hours available if you only are by appointment only. So let's go ahead and click next. Our page is taking shape at this point. Now you can actually add a profile picture and a cover picture. So over here, you're going to see the circle icon where there's like a silhouette of a person. That's where your profile picture will show up. And then the big gray rectangle behind it is where your cover photo will show up. Now, there are specific recommendations on resolution size. You can find those by doing a quick Google search for profile picture and for Facebook business page cover photo. And those are the resolutions that you'll want to keep to here so that your pictures show up crisp and clear and clean on every device from a mobile device to a computer. And then you can also see right here, add an action button. The add action button here is very, very powerful because what it allows you to do is customize how people interact with you. So we're going to click try it, and you can see it gives us the option to book now, sign up, send a message, view shop, contact us, send an email, send a call, visit our group, play a game, buy, reserve, all these different options depending on how you want your customers and clients and prospects to interact with you. Now, let's just go ahead and say we want to get phone calls for the sake of argument. Click on call now and click next. We want to put in the phone number. And once we do that, we click save. It's going to think about it. And now what's going to happen is up here where you see it says follow and message, on the actual page itself, it will have an additional button that says call now. And that's a one-click option. If they're on mobile or a computer, they can click that and it's going to call you right away. So go ahead and add that in. We're not going to add the profile and cover photo because this is just an example, but you'll do it for yours. And we'll click next. And it says, hey, do you want to do WhatsApp? Now, WhatsApp is growing in popularity with businesses as a way for customers to interact with you and for you to interact with your customers. So if you want to do that, you can set that up here. I would recommend looking into it. It might be a great option for your business. We're going to skip it for our example and then build the page. Now we can actually invite our friends to have them like the page. And if we click on invite, it'll actually give us an option to select all the different people that we want to have invited to like the page. So do that. It'll give you a quick boost out of the gate with followers. However, make sure you're strategic with it. You just don't want to blast it out to everyone because not everyone's going to be interested in what your business or organization has to offer. So invite people there, click next. This is where you can turn on or off notifications and promotional emails for the page. I usually turn them off because what I'll do is go in and check my page periodically to make sure that I'm getting the notifications that I need. I don't want them showing up on my personal profile. That's what this does. And then I don't want more marketing and promotional emails in my inbox. But it's a preference. If you want that, no problem. You can do that. And then literally we're all done. You just click done here at the bottom, and that's it.